today, guys, we're gonna be playing a game. The name is okay, I'm just kidding, okay? Cat Mario, okay? So my friend told me like it's not that hard though. It's actually easy. Oh shit, no, it's actually easy. How is this even hard? See that? Do you rage while playing this game?
A few moments later.
What the Oh no, oh no, oh my god. Damn, my speed. You see that? I'm gonna finish this. See that? No, don't go forward. Don't go forward. There has to be. Huh? How the f you guys do not? Oh, never mind. At least I reached the checkpoint. Which is fine. How hard can this be? Oh, it's not hard. Why am I dying? I'm not gonna rage. I promised myself when I started playing this game. Before I started playing this game. Why would it go forward? Fam! My maneuvering skill is so ass. Ah! Made it. Hey, look, mom, I made it. No. This moves forward when I'm not pressing the D button. Huh? Why the do you want to move forward? Wait, am I raging? I'm not even 2 minutes inside the game. I'm raging. Hey. Fam, goddamn fudge. I'm gonna make it. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna make it. Why am I dying at the same point when I could just easily get through it? Okay, chill. We need to cool down. F you. I am not gonna rage. How am I gonna get past? What the f? How am I gonna get past through it? Oh, now I'm trapped, fam. Are you kidding? I can't get past to this level. I just get trapped. I just get freaking trapped. Easy peasy squeezy. Hey, it's actually not hard, to be frank. No, I trapped myself. Okay. I didn't. My maneuvering skill in this game is so. Oh, the sky is our enemy as well. No way, you, I can't. They don't show up until I made it to that block. What the fuck? I forgot about it. That's how you wanna play. Hey, fuck off, dude. Fuck off. That's so shit. There's no way I'm dying in such a simple level. Not raging. Until I bang on something, it's not a rage, okay? F***ing hoes. Oh my god. Allow it, fam. Allow it. I'm gonna make a layout on a page to see where the traps are, just to make sure. Mister, you f***ing piece of cat, you f***ing pussy. Why do you have to jump from there? Oh, what? Yes. Let's go. I made it. Okay. Yes, that almost killed me. No, 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 no. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any. No. What the? Okay. Chill out, Kevin. You did it once. You can do it twice. There's no big thing about it. There's no big thing about it. This game is rigged. This game is rigged. Oh. I don't know. How can a game allow you to die when you're at the checkpoint, fam? That's so shit. You did it once, Kevin. You can do it twice. There's nothing in the world which is impossible, okay? You did it. Why? That's the ending. I'm being honest, that's the end. It's in Chinese, that's why I didn't understand. What the? It dies in the same place. It dies in the same place. Chill out, fam, chill out. It's just a game, A game ain't gonna get the best of me. I can't run. I have a wired headphone, not wireless. I don't want my headphone to go chop. Anything but that. This shit's expensive. My mom's gonna kill me. Oh, clutch. Just for safety purpose, I'm leaving that. Because I'm gonna go somewhere I do not know. Yes, it's a clutch. Don't fall. Don't fall, you cat. I'll kill you if you go to the opposite direction. Papi. Be honest right now. No! How do I keep on dying at the same fucking point? No. It moves forward on its own when I'm not pressing shit. Fuck you and your fucking piece of shit game developers. Hey, fam! Bullshit game, bullshit! Hey. Why? Quite typically, why? Is it? A lie. Okay, I'm gonna go Death Run mode. No, now I'm gonna go Death Run mode. Don't fall, you piece of crap. Don't fall, you piece of crap. You're a piece of crap. How am I stuck on the same level for 1 hour now? Huh? Nobody knows. Hey. Hoop. At this point, I just have to remove my clothes. That's just remaining right now. My clothes. Come on. No. This is the ending, guys. Come on. I can't press any button. Not up, down, left, right. None of the button works once I reach there. I'm searching on YouTube for this. Yeah, guys, so basically that was the end. I didn't notice it. I downloaded only chapter 1 of that game. There's another chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5 of that game as well. I didn't notice it. I downloaded it. See you next episode. I had completed that shit in 40 deaths. I was there for more 69 deaths. just to see how the do I get past it. But that's the ending of that shit. Yeah, it's easy. It's so easy, fam. If I only knew that was the ending from the beginning, I wouldn't have raged. So yeah, it's been a boy Vichy Kevin, and hopefully I didn't break anything. Well there, everything is fine. Yeah, peace out.